Hey YouTube, it's Ronnie. David over yonder there. Well, we got a little barn find here. We got a little Miller 225G. We found it. We got it for $500. I just put a battery in it. I'm going to check the oil and everything right now. But little owning. All good. Well, I guess we can see what she'll do here. I don't think it's bad for 500. Guy said it ran 2 weeks ago, but when I got it, it didn't have a battery in it. So let's see if we fire her up. I just got the leads connected. Had to go buy a new stinger for it. Let's choke it and let's go. That's a good sign. Let's see if we get David get a piece of steel and let's see if we can strike an arc. You gonna strike an arc? All right, get some rods over yonder. 60-11 or something. It's kind of sunny out here today. Hold on. Sorry. I just doing it on my telephone. Yeah, it's a mess around here. I've been doing hay for quite a while now. See what old David can do here. I think we're gonna put it on a trailer. I was just telling, I think we're gonna put it on a trailer is what me and Dave were talking about. Problem is right now all my tractors are gone. I got them at the ranch. And then I got one of my John Deere's here, but I got 3 leaking cylinders in it. So I took the loader off. So now we gotta figure out how to take it off. I guess we hook it up to that tree over yonder on a limb and hopefully it don't break it. Now nobody make fun of his welding, he's just learning. Everybody had to start somewhere. He hadn't welded in a while. Let's just see a bit of. Hit it on that ground. Huh.